Hello! Hola! Welcome to Ay Amigo School, where learning Spanish is cool. My name is Gabby and today we're going to be speaking about Latin America. So before we start, let me tell you something interesting that we have here in Yahoo Finance. And today we're going to be speaking about summons in different countries. Have you ever been thinking about retirement? Well, Yahoo Finance this week just published that 5 countries in our continent that speak Spanish are the best places to live for retirement. Yes, and the first are Colombia, Costa Rica, Panama, Ecuador, and the last one is Mexico or Mexico. So yes, this is something interesting to think about the future and to visualize yourself in a couple of years where you see yourself, because you can even save up to 85% of your incomes. But let's keep talking about Latin America because we're going to be speaking about some different tips or vocabularies that I want you to take into account when you travel. Now, let's speak about South America and different words that we use in different countries, such as Argentina, España, México, Colombia y Venezuela. Ahora, now let's speak about this common word, pitillo. Pitillo es en Venezuela o Colombia, but in Argentina es pajita, like in Spain, but in Mexico es popote. Weird, right? Different words for the same object in different countries that speak the same language? Let's go with the number 2. Número 2. So number 2 is mango. But mango is this in the kitchen. But it also could be this. It's a fruit. And it's the same word for the same countries that we spoke. Argentina, España, Mexico, Venezuela, and Colombia. Let's go with number 3. Número 3. This is something that we eat too much in the movie theater. Yes, Cotufas. Cotufas, yes, in Venezuela. But in Colombia it could be crispetas. In Spain it's Palomitas de maíz. And Argentina, Pochoclo, yes. And Mexico, Palomitas, yes. Another word, the same object and different ways to say it. Número 4. So guys, you are hungry and you want to eat a hot dog. In Mexico is hot dog. Pero en Colombia y Venezuela, perro caliente. En Argentina, un pancho. Y España, un perrito caliente. That's almost similar. But now let's go with the last one. Número 5. Number 5 and the last one, guys. So we have this beautiful one. It's called la mazorca en Venezuela, but in Colombia y España es el maíz, el choclo en Argentina y el elote in Mexico. This was really remarkable in our history. It was the first goal for people before the colonization of the Spanish people. We did believe that it was the goal that the Spanish people were looking for. So guys, it was a pleasure to meet you. I know it could be a little bit tricky, but that's why we're here. Ay Amigo School is giving you a trial lesson to have a knowledge of our beautiful and excellent methodology. If you want to join us, please subscribe below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to have more videos like this one. See you soon and ciao!